Hello everyone. Most of the time we use the Excel to enter the data in the range in the cells, and we use the functions and the formula as per our requirement. If we have small range of data like this, then it is okay. We can use the range, but if we have large data, thousands of rows of data, then it is difficult to manage the data and do the calculations and the functions. So in this, we can use the table function of the Excel, which is very nice to use the large number of data. There are a lot of benefits which I'm gonna show you in this video. So watch till the end and subscribe my channel if you are new, and give me your valuable feedback in the comment section. So let us begin. First we will use the table, and then simultaneously we will use the traditional way of using the range. So first of all, we have to select any cell in the range, then come to the insert tab and select the table. You will see create table option. Make sure you enable this option and click on OK button. It will convert in the official table of Excel. You can see a new tab open in the Excel called design, in which we have so many options related to the table. On the left hand side top corner we have table name. Here we have to enter the table name. By default it would be table 1 2 3 like this. So we can enter exp data, like expenses data. It can be anything, but you need to enter which easily identify yourself in future for better use. Now we can change the format. Select the cell of table, click over here. We can see different format options available, so I'm gonna select this one, and I am going to remove filter button as well. Now my requirement is to get the total of amount spent on the conveyance. For this I'm gonna use SUMIFs function. For using any function, we have to start with equal sign, then type your function, press tab. First I have to select sum range. Now I will put my cursor on the sum range like expenses. Now I'm gonna move my cursor top of the expenses or the column header. You can see the arrow converted in the down arrow sign, and I'm gonna click over here. It will select the complete range. Now press comma. We have to enter second criteria range. In this time I'm gonna use category, so I have to select the whole column by putting my cursor over the category on the header side. Click over here. It will again select the range of category, then press comma. Here I have to enter the criteria, so I'm gonna select this cell in which I already entered the conveyance. Based on that we will get the sum of the expenses spent on the conveyance. So whatever the text I will put over here, system will calculate automatically. But before that I have to make it constant using F4, so C4 cell becomes the constant. Now close the bracket, press enter, and we got our answer 78.5. We can convert this to the currency, and if we use the same function in the traditional way in the range of cells, so let's see whether we will get the convenient of selecting the complete column or not. So sum range, so I'm not getting any option, so we have to select like this. This is a very small data. If we have thousands of rows, it is difficult to select the complete data and it will take a lot of time. So when we use the table option, we are just putting our mouse over the header section. It will select the complete range. So this is the benefit. Now I'm going to make it constant by pressing F4, this complete range. Now comma, this time I have to select this one like this, make it constant, comma, select the convenience, press F4 for make it constant, press close the bracket and press enter, and we got our answer. We can change the format of this as well. So this is the one way. Now the second benefit, when we add the new data, table will calculate the new value including the new data. So I have some options. I have new data over here, we can copy paste over here, or we can just move using the mouse. This data, the new data, added automatically in that range, and we can see the amount is also changed. Whether we will get this benefit in the range as well, let's see. No, nothing has been changed because here we defined the range and we have fixed already. Here it is also fixed, but because we are using the table option of Excel, that is why it is added the new data automatically and did the calculations as well. So now if I want to include the new data, I have to press F2 and extend the range like this, press enter. So now we are getting the options. And now I'm going to show you one more option. If I insert a new column, let's see what happens. So first I will enter the new column in the right hand side of the table like text. I have to calculate the 18% of the text of this expense value. So when I press enter, it will include automatically. If I do any calculation, let's see, 0.18, press enter, you can see the magic of that table. We got all the calculations automatically in the table. But when we do the same here, it will not work. Nothing is happening. We have to do all calculations manually like this, or we have to double click over here. And now the next benefit is to get the total. So if I want the total sum, so I have to just click on this total row. We got the total on the last column. You will get the sum automatically. So you can change the calculation type like average, count, max, more functions. So when you click over here, so you can do the more calculations. If I want to sum of expenses, I have to click over here and I have to select like maximum number, so I will get the 89, or whatever the function I will use, I will get the answer immediately. So I'm gonna select sum, but here there is no option of getting these benefits. I hope this video helped you to understand about the tables. I will create some more videos about the tables, so just click on the subscribe button to get the notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching my video. Please come back again.